guys, thank you so much for joining me. So today I am working on some centerpieces for my daughter's quinceañera, and I wanted to share with you this very simple tutorial on how I decorated the centerpieces to make them look how this beautiful centerpiece looks here. It is a very simple project, and I did share this tutorial before on an Easter project, but I thought I'd share it again. Instead of having you guys go through my old video, I thought I'd just share with you super quickly how I created this project. Now this you can use not just for a quince, obviously you can use it for your wedding or a baby shower, a bridal shower, but I just wanted to give you guys a spark of inspiration just to show you how beautiful something can look without costing a lot of money. For this project you will need a vase. Now this vase here, the shorter vase, I got this one from the Dollar Tree, and it is a 7-inch vase. They sometimes carry a 9-inch vase, but unfortunately I could not find them anywhere in any of my local Dollar Trees, so I just settled for the 7-inch vase. This one here is a vase I got from Michael's, and they're pretty much the same, with the exception obviously is the height. This is, I believe, a 9-inch vase or a 9.5-inch vase at Michael's, and they are $5.99 each. Still a pretty reasonable price for this centerpiece. Now for this project you will need some ribbon. I got this one from Michael's as well, and you will also need an embellishment of your choice. I have gotten this one from Amazon, and I am going to post a link in the description box just to show you where I got this from. And you will also need a pair of scissors to cut your ribbon, and also glue to glue the embellishment. Now this project is super simple to make. I'm going to show you very quickly what I did to get the corseted look. I'm using this 9.5-inch vase from Michael's because that's what I'm going to be using for her cake display as decorative element, and I wanted to share with you guys how I'm decorating it. So I got this very long piece of ribbon which measured about 10 feet long, and I'm going to find the center of this ribbon by just lining up the ends and then following it back up so I get to the center point. So all I did was pinch it to find the center loop, like I show you here, and then I'm going to take my vase, and there's a little bit of a notch here. I'm just going to put glue here just to hold the ribbon in place. I usually use a low temperature glue gun, but for this project I couldn't find my low temperature glue gun, so I'm just using the high temperature one and being super careful. You just take it and press it here, and you bring it forward. Once you get to the front, you will just take it and kind of cross it, and then you will cross it again, bringing it down and to the back like so. And then once you bring it to the back, you will then do it again and you will cross it. It's a really long ribbon, so it's a little harder to do, but then you kind of twist it to each other, make that same X, and then you bring it forward some. You continue to do that until you reach all the way to the bottom of the vase. Now if you'd like, you can add some more glue to secure the ribbon in place. I'm not going to do that because I want to be able to manipulate the ribbon to the position that I want it to go. Once you get to the back, you just add a little bit of glue to the end of the ribbon, or the vase rather. And this is what the front looks like. Now I did make a mistake how they're all lined up, and this one's a little off center, so just keep an eye on how you want everything centered. I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm fine with it, doesn't bother me, and it's going to be tucked away in the back so no one's really going to see it. Now I do have these leftover embellishments from the centerpieces I made before, so I'm just going to take one out of the packaging here and use it for this larger centerpiece. So this is what the front looks like. And then this is what the back looks like very quickly. It's just a flat back, nothing on it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue and figure out where I want it. Okay guys, I am absolutely loving the way the centerpiece came out. I think it looks adorable. It's very elegant and beautiful. I am going to be adding some Epsom salt in there with one of those Dollar Tree candles in the inside, just to add a little bit of a different element to it. And because her theme has a little bit of a kind of like a Halloween type theme to it, I am going to be adding some cobwebs to kind of make it look a little more worn into the area, with a couple of spiders just to make it more of a Halloween look. But yeah, if I were to do this for a wedding, it looks elegant this way. Maybe you can put a little bit of water, and if your venue allows it, a little floating candle, or you can put some, or you can place in it some fairy lights. I think that would look really, really pretty. And you can hide the fairy lights with some rocks or moss or something on the inside, just to cover up the switch. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel and you like what you see, definitely click that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos I post. I really love the way everything is coming together for my daughter's quince, and I can't wait to show you a quick glimpse of everything put together on her special day. And until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.